Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a kind princess who loved to help others. Every day she would wander through the trees, making friends with the animals and listening to their stories. One day she found a little bird with a hurt wing and carefully took it home to heal. As she cared for the bird, it began to sing, filling the cottage with beautiful music that attracted every creature in the forest. As the bird regained its strength, it flew into the sky, leaving a shimmering trail of magic in its wake. All the animals cheered, and the princess felt a warmth in her heart, knowing she had made a difference.